Good morning. I won a contest, so I am going to unbox it. On Instagram, Barbasol had a contest where if you took a bottle of the limited edition Jurassic World cans and then posted on Instagram, tag them, and tagged a friend, you'd be entered into a contest, and I actually won. So it's been a long time since I won a contest, so I was quite excited. So I'm pretty sure I know what I got, but they had a bunch of contests going on, so I'm not quite for sure what my prize is. Pretty sure it's something Jurassic Park. Jurassic World. Alright. Oh, I missed something. Alright, here we go. Yay! I think it is what I thought it was. Awesome. Alright. It is... Here we go. I got a cute little Barbasol sticker. Very nice. And then it says Jurassic Park. Where do I open it? Okay. I'll open this carefully. Look at that. It's a reproduction of the Barbasol can from the original Jurassic Park. And oh, it must be battery powered because it's got batteries section. All right, let's see if we can figure out how to open it. Oh, and there we go. There's Dennis. Gonna run off with the samples. All right. What does it do? Dennis Nerdy instructions. Contents. To play. Turn the can to reveal the figure and for lights and sounds. Press the top when the figure is revealed for more lights and sounds. Okay. Am I gonna have to put batteries in it? All right, we're gonna assume there's no batteries in it because it's not doing anything. Press the top. No, it's not doing anything. So batteries not included. Battery placement 3 AAA. Batteries included are for demonstration purposes only. It doesn't feel very heavy. All right, I'll add batteries and come back. That is so cool. Directions. Unscrew the bottom of the can. Fill the interior compartment with dinosaur embryos. Deliver to the east dock. I love it. I love it. All right, let me be right back. Let me see if there's batteries in it or not. I gotta find my little screwdriver. I'm back. It had no batteries in it whatsoever, but no big deal. I have plenty of batteries. So 3 AAA batteries. You ready? All right, I didn't do it that time. Let's see if it'll do it again. Dennis talks. I got it to work.
You didn't say the magic word.
That's all I've got him to say so far, so I'm not for sure if that's the only thing he says. But I will have to say the reading on it is very careful. So then the shaving tips: drive carefully and avoid crashing your vehicle. Keep glasses on your face. Ingredients: dinosaur embryos, coolant, 1 figure, 3 accessories. Warning: do not play fetch with a Dilophosaurus. Do not get venom in your eyes. Very, very funny. And this is like huge. So here is a normal Barbasol can, and here is the toy Barbasol can. It is very cool. Pretty sure when we were younger, the Barbasol cans were bigger than this. Wait a minute, I have a couple more. All right, this is better. This is a thicker Barbasol can. So yeah, I think there was 5 different Barbasol cans, and even though the movie's been out for a month and a half, I still see them at grocery stores. So if you want one, definitely go, because they are very cool. And even your Dollar Tree has one of the versions. So let me get this out of the way. So my toy one and a thicker Barbasol can. Pretty cool. Let's see if he does anything else. Oh.
You didn't say the magic word. Dodson! Dodson! We've got Dodson here! And no wonder you're extinct. Don't get cheap on me, Dodson. I'm totally unappreciated in my time. You didn't say the magic word.
That is really cool. So I love all the Jurassic Park movies, but the original is
Don't
definitely
get cheap on me, Dodson.
the best. I can watch the first one over. I've watched it over 100 times. That one I can watch over and over again. I like all the others. I'll watch it here and there, but the first one I can watch over and over. So this toy, since this character is from the first one,
You didn't say the magic word.
definitely has a little more meaning for me. I was very excited about winning this contest. It really made my day, and it came in, and I'm happy. And it's gonna look great on my office desk, my home office desk. As you know, I do work from home. So anyway, yeah, Instagram. Follow them on Instagram. They have, if you like this shaving cream, they have other contests they do throughout the month where you can win care packages and stuff. So yeah, follow them on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram too. I'm 80s Toy Hunter. If you're on Instagram, follow me there. Thanks for watching, and I will see you later.